It's really fast as long as the tangyuan is just like noodle. When it flows, it's ready. You can go for my tangyuan.
Oh.
That's dry so.
Huh?
You're slow cooker. Yeah, it's slow cooker.
No, I'm not a slow cooker. I'm an air fryer baby.
Look at this. I make a whole meal. You just make one salmon.
Oh, you're like cooking stuff on the hot road outside. That's what it is. It's like I'm a slow cook.
You're gonna like this tangyuan so much. You're gonna say one more time.
Okay. I never say one more time.
Oh my! One more bowl.
Second servings does not exist there.
You got the one more bowl. It's not serving, but it's a bowl. With a knife, the sharpest, you know. It just doesn't look perfect circle. It looks like a square. No, square tastes good. No, when you cook it, it becomes almost like a circle. Chinese bacon, Chinese sausage. Oh, forgot about the Chinese peppers. Smell it, smell it. I don't really need to do this for that long. Just a little bit. Wow, 这个下面吹手啊！ So when you decorate with the noodle, you just put it in the hopper. Flour is so easy to make. It's gonna be a circle when it's cooked.
It's gonna rise up when it's cooked.
Yeah, like a baseball, and then it becomes circle. It's not gonna be perfect.
Okay, time to cook things.
Oh, it just look like that, but it tastes really good. You can make like a heart shape too. Or the flat one like this. Wow. Don't drop it though. Look at the super big one though. I mean you can make a big one and you can put sauce in the you can put stuff in your thing too like the other one or put stuff in there. You can put some cucumber or you can put the I don't know whatever. Everything in there. You can but
Inside?
yeah.
No. Just put the cucumber in, like inside the soup.
You can put filling in it, anything you want, but is it boiling the egg yet? Wash it long.
You're on my watch? Tomorrow then. Whoa! The egg is exploding. Almost half is done. For my tongue is that's dry stuff. That's
No, this one I forgot to cut one of the big peppers. It's in there. There's one big mushroom too. But you can have more big chunks of stuff. Oh, look.